Hey, good morning. Kevin Sales, your title rep. It's a Saturday morning, and I'm here to talk to you because, like I always say, I solve problems before they happen. Here's the deal. It's a Saturday morning. I'm driving to Los Angeles, and I had a issue this week that I just can't help but answer a question about. So, an agent referred a client to me. I actually spoke with the estate representative, and the thing was this. The lady filed the probate case by herself, and after a little bit, she realized she's in over her head. And I commended her for realizing that, referred her to a great attorney. I'm sure they're in the process of living happily ever after now. But here's the point. People always ask, do I need an attorney to do my probate? And I'll tell you this. I had a guy one time, it doesn't make any difference to me. As a title rep doing the title on a probate sale, it doesn't make any difference. As an agent, it doesn't make much of a difference to you. Really, the only thing for us is if they don't have an attorney, they might not be doing things right, and that could pose a problem. So this guy was talking to me, and he kept telling me how he doesn't need an attorney. He was so convinced. I told him, look, it doesn't make me any difference. It doesn't change my pay. It doesn't change what I do, really. But here's the question I have for you. Let me ask you a question. At what point do you file a notice of pending action, and what's the waiting period after you file that? And he said, the notice of what? I said, that's exactly my point. You don't know what you're supposed to do or when you're supposed to do it, and by not knowing, you could jeopardize everything that you're doing. You could jeopardize the sale transaction that you're working on. You could jeopardize everything. So that was the point. He got it, and I think he went out and got an attorney. So that's it today. I just wanted to give a real quick note. You know, they have that age-old saying, and it's true, especially when it comes to probate. He who represents himself in court has a fool for a client, or has a fool for an attorney, either way. The point is, hey, if you don't know everything that you're doing, if you haven't read all the laws, if you haven't been trained in how to do it properly, you're better off getting an attorney. It's worth the money. Pay for it, make everything go smooth, and let's live happily ever after. That's it for today. Kevin Sales, your title rep. I solve problems before they happen. As always, consult your own legal and tax professionals for advice. To reach me, Kevin Sales, probatetitle@gmail.com or 213-364-3810, and find me on the web at www.probatetitle.com.